Hello everyone, my name is Jene. Welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Hello everyone, again my name is Jene and thank you for joining me today. For those of you that are new to my channel, a big howdy and welcome. For all of my subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for your support. You guys are just amazing. So before I open up this bag that you see in front of you, I just want to say thank you to all of you. There's no words to thank all of you for your kindness and your support and your encouragement. It means a lot. It means a lot. So by saying that, let's go ahead and open up this bag. And this is actually going to be a Christmas/birthday present. So if you're watching, sis, this is for you. You can turn it off if you'd like, or you can actually see what you're going to be getting. So it's up to you. Yeah, so let me open this up. If I can find my scissors, you know, I'll just use my X-Acto knife. Okay, so everyone, again, I just want to thank you for all of your kind words from my whip and chat. It means a lot to me. You have absolutely no idea. And the support and encouragement that I've received is just amazing. I had people reach out to me via email and messenger, and you guys all know who you are. I wish I could just give all of you a hug. Thank you again for that. So if I can just get this opened. Now I ordered this. Is it even opening? Looks like it. Okay. I ordered this from a Facebook group called Bistros, and they do diamond painting pens. Let's see. Yeah, Bistro blanks, and they're out in Florida, and they do these beautiful diamond painting pens. They are just gorgeous. So I thought I'm going to order this for my sister, and this is cool. This is a magnet. So let's actually just, and that's if my camera is going, there it goes. So that is the name of their Facebook group, and for some reason my camera is just playing havoc tonight. It doesn't know if it wants, there we go. So there is the information on Bistro's blanks. They are a Facebook group, and I will have their information linked down below in the description. I love the way they've packaged this. This is really unique. So let's take a look at this pen. Now I know that there are a few creators that have already unbagged a few of these beautiful pens, but we're going to unbag this one. It says here, "We hope you enjoy your order. Come back soon." That's really neat. Like that. All right. So let's take a look. And again, this is my sister's Christmas/birthday present. Her birthday was in November. And we usually see each other in January. We usually go to Mexico for a couple weeks, but unfortunately, I don't believe we're going to be able to go this year because of COVID. So, wow. So the pen comes in this really nice felt pouch. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. So let's bring this up so you guys can see it. So this is actually a dolphin. Isn't that just amazing? She does wonderful work, and I'm trying to get the glare out. There we go. But she does this beautiful work. You can see the dorsal fin right there, the eyes. Looks like he's holding a flower. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. Okay. Very lightweight. It looks like it's a wooden diamond painting pin. Single placer, and then it comes with, looks like a 6 placer. But this is just gorgeous. How in the world did you get that in there? That is nuts. So let's bring this back up again so that you guys can see this beautiful dolphin. I mean, you can kind of see him right there. But let's bring him up. And that's, of course, if my camera decides, there we go. Sorry, I had to move my hand so that it didn't see the card. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? That must have taken forever to do. That is just beautiful. Holy smokes. And like I said, it's a beautiful wood pin. Just beautiful. Okay. So sis, if you're watching, this is your pin. That is just gorgeous. Wow. So let me bring up their card again so that you guys can take a look. Again, it's Bistro's blanks, and I'll have that information down below in the description if you're interested in taking a look at their gorgeous pins. And I've seen, this is one out of many, many different types of pins that they have handcrafted, and it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, everyone. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for spending some time with me tonight. I greatly appreciate it. You guys are just super wonderful. So by saying that, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell's going to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.